guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adina and this is a skin lightening channel. For all my new viewers, welcome to my channel. For all my returning subscribers, what's up, gang? Yeah, the Beauty Nation is expanding. I'm really happy and I appreciate everybody that's been subbing to my channel, and I'll be listening to all of y'all advice and the things y'all want me to do. So somebody told me to do a makeup routine, and y'all told me not to wear makeup, so I'm not wearing makeup in this video. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup, and let's get started. Yeah, let's get started with the video. It's like melanin is different type of melanin. It's yellow melanin, it's brown melanin, it's white melanin, it's all type of melanin. So for me, I may be lighter, but I have a brown face and I have brown tone body, but my face is burning my body, and I have like more reddish undertones more than I have yellow undertones. So I use this foundation called Fit Me, and this is in the color 335. So let me know if y'all, this is y'all gold shade to get to. I can't compare my shade to like M45. Like I don't know how to say it, but I don't use expensive makeup, so I can't really do that. I can only compare my complexion to like drugstore brand. But yeah, I just take a beauty blender and I just put this on my face. Now I'm gonna take this, I don't know what this is. It's the CNC concealer and RK by Kiss, and it's like a yellow concealer corrector. So I'm gonna squeeze that out. Yes, it is yellow, and it gives you like a yellow under eye. So you go bright, dewy. Okay, so now that that's on, I'm gonna set my whole face and I'll be right back. I'm gonna just show y'all what I set with, because I'm like, that wouldn't be right if I just did it without y'all seeing. But this is a Sacha Buttercup, my favorite setting powder, and it makes me look so bright along with the yellow concealer. And I just set my under eyes with the beauty blender as well. As you can see, I'm in love with beauty blenders. I gotta get some new ones because this one is pretty dirty. But I ordered some new stuff off Amazon. But I do gotta pick up some beauty blenders. So. I love Fit Me, y'all. I'm gonna start with my Fit Me foundation powder, and this is in the color 330, so this is a little bit darker. So it looks like this. Goals! I can't believe I'm wearing this light ass powder, but it's my color now, y'all. Actually, I could actually contour with this. That's the crazy part. for the spring and the summer and the fall, because it's just like, switch it up. And I'm just gonna take this brown shade right here. I can't really see the name of it. Zulu. And I'm just gonna pop that on my eyes to give it some definition.
I don't do much for my eyes, y'all, because I don't put the down. I want to drag grease.
It's like a shimmery, lighter shade. And I'm gonna take that and pop it on the inner corners of my eye. I know, y'all, this look is super simple. Anybody can do it, and this is my everyday look. If you're not a makeup person, I understand. So I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be back. So, so sad to say, I can't do my favorite lip combo, because I usually like line my lips with a dark pencil, and I just would use like a nude shade like this. I'm looking for a frosty color. I might make my own lip gloss. I also sell lip oils that lightens the lips. I'm gonna have new tubes, a new formula to make your lips pinker, because a lot of you guys ask me, how do I get my lips pink? And I've been using this from the very start. So I'm going to be relaunching my lip gloss, my lip oil, and icy, and it is a sugar cookie flavor. So yeah, I use that all the time. And I also got some other type of lip glosses. Got some new ones. What is it? I'm gonna get it for you guys. Chanel. See that? It's called mint oil. Lip gloss. Let me show you how it looks. Super cute. It's right there. So my lips is kind of dry, so I'm going with some Nivea, or I'll go in with my lip oil because they do moisturize the lips and it's not sticky. What I'm going in with, I love it, guys. I think I said this on my other video. 665 HD intensity, and it's matte. So I'm gonna put this on. It's like a pink lip. Yeah, this is pretty much all I do. I'm gonna put on my liner, my liquid liner, my kohl. Kohl is like a black liner that go under your eyes, and I'm gonna put on my lashes, and I'll be back because I do sell lashes. Let me know if you guys want to purchase any. But yeah, I'll be back when I'm done. This is my dress. Super cute. I lost a couple pounds, so it's been a year since I had my last son. Looking good. Tell me what you think about it. Don't look at Barbie. Alright, I also want to show you one more thing. This is my bleaching cream I use for my face. It has how much hydroquinone it has in it. It has a lot of hydroquinone, probably like more than 9%. I also have some moisturizers and stuff in here. I also put some anti-fading cream inside of there that I bought yesterday from the store. And I'm also using a new toner. I'm gonna show you guys. Sorry, my camera's shaking. So this is a new toner that I'm using. I'm so happy I found it. Please, guys, pick this up if you have it in your store. Make sure you pick it up. It's the Palmer's brand, and it's the Skin Success, the experts in even skin tone since 1840, and it's anti-dark spot complexion toner for evenly toned skin. It gently removes impurities, brightens complexion, and it's with beta hydroxy and tea tree oil. It has a lot of good ingredients in the back. The first ingredient that I love that it says is aqua, which is water. It has castor oils, salicylic acid, lactic acid, tea tree oil, leaf oil, It has a lot of good. It has witch hazel in it. It has some alcohol, which can be drying, so make sure you moisturize your skin and stuff like that. But it has a lot of good stuff in here, so make sure you guys pick this toner up. I use this to remove my makeup, and I also use it all the time, so as a toner. So toners are very important when trying to even in the skin, so you get rid of like little dark spots on your face or freckles, whatever, from the sun or whatever. So just want to show you guys this. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to do any more makeup looks, because I can do that for you guys. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place. Ooh, sorry, I'm using this Juvia's Place highlighter, and it's super cute, and it's in the kind Cleo, and I do like a lot of highlight. I'm a little dramatic. I want to get Trophy Wife, but I forgot to go to Ulta and get it. I don't know if y'all seen like Ari from like the Real Cow Sister, like the Hollywood mom, because I feel like her face is round like mine. Like when you got a round face, you gotta like do things to help add structure. So I'm just gonna contour. Ooh, that highlight though. Oh, I love my makeup. I look so bronzy. Cute.